Hey there, love detectives. Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're cracking a code some consider a mystery. The art of making someone miss you. Let's face it, we all want to leave a lasting impression, to ignite a spark that keeps us on someone's mind. But how do we do that without resorting to clingy tactics? The answer lies in understanding the power of healthy longing. Forget everything you think you know about playing games or acting distant. This isn't about manipulation. It's about creating a connection so strong, your absence is a reminder of its value. Here are 10 ways to unlock the mystery code. 10 ways to make them miss you like crazy. 1. Create mystery and intrigue. Don't reveal everything at once. Share your passions, your interests, and your quirky hobbies. Let them discover the layers that make you unique. Imagine them browsing a captivating book. You want them to eagerly turn the page, wanting to know more about the story within. 2. Be unpredictable. Inject spontaneity. Surprise them with a thoughtful gesture or a fun activity that keeps the dynamic exciting. It doesn't have to be grand gestures. Maybe it's leaving a funny note hidden in their favorite book, or sending them a surprise coffee on a busy workday. These unexpected moments show you're thinking of them and keep the connection fresh. 3. Build emotional connections. Healthy relationships are built on trust and vulnerability. Share your vulnerabilities, your dreams, and your fears. Open communication creates a foundation that resonates. Don't be afraid to have deep conversations about your hopes and aspirations. This emotional intimacy strengthens the bond and makes them miss your presence even more when you're apart. 4. Prioritize personal growth. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. An evolving, passionate individual is naturally captivating. Take that online course you've been eyeing, join a new club, or finally tackle that creative project. This self-improvement journey not only benefits you, but also makes you a more interesting and engaging person to be around. When they see your dedication and passion for life, it becomes even more desirable to share experiences with you. 5. Show genuine interest. Ask questions about their day, their passions, and their dreams. Listen actively, and don't just wait for your turn to speak. Make them feel valued and heard. Remember those little details they share and reference them back later. Showing genuine interest fosters a sense of connection and makes them feel like you truly care. 6. Maintain independence. While closeness is important, nurture your own life too. Don't be afraid to have hobbies and interests that are separate from theirs. This independence shows you have a fulfilling life outside the relationship, and it makes the time you spend together even more special. 7. Leave a lasting impression. Plan unique experiences that create cherished memories. It doesn't have to be expensive trips. A picnic under the stars, a pottery-making class, or exploring a local farmer's market can all be memorable moments. These shared experiences create a sense of nostalgia and make them miss the joy of being around you. 8. Use social media strategically. Social media can be a double-edged sword. Don't bombard them with constant updates, but curate a profile that showcases your interests and achievements. Share snippets of your life, your travels, or your creative pursuits. A thoughtfully curated profile can spark their curiosity and leave a positive and lasting impression. 9. Be confident and positive. Positive energy is magnetic. Embrace your self-worth and radiate confidence. People gravitate towards those who are comfortable in their own skin. When you believe in yourself, it inspires others and makes them want to be a part of your journey. 10. Give them space. Allowing for healthy independence creates a sense of longing. Don't be afraid to give them some time to miss you. This doesn't mean ignoring them completely. Maintain regular communication, but strike a balance. Let them have their own space to pursue hobbies, hang out with friends, or simply enjoy some quiet time. This trust and independence will make them appreciate the time you spend together even more. Remember, the goal isn't to play games. It's about creating a connection so strong, your absence is a reminder of its value. By incorporating these tips, you can unlock the mystery code and leave a lasting impression. They won't just miss you, they'll crave your presence. So, detectives, what are your thoughts? Do you have any secret weapons for creating healthy longing? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more dives into the fascinating world of human connection. Until next time, stay curious, stay confident, and stay tuned.